Bob Dylan makes an unscheduled appearance.
Hey, Ray, which way is up on this damn camera? Which way is up? Yes, may I help you? I don't have to do this for every penny in there. Kuwait. I thought I might have had an iron silk. You heard before? My mother irons my father's field. I don't get it with the kids people, right? Now, behind the house, a young lead singer. They got a silk hat of Mr. John Knight. That's a straight and really nice. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery.
Beautiful, damn beautiful. What it is, beautiful. Benazir Bhutto sits in on triangle.
That was my Brian Smith special. He did the same thing with this bamboo toothbrush about a year or so ago, maybe a little bit more. Bamboo toothbrush, hearth, and I think he used horseweed for spindle, but I just used a small plug of, what is this? I think this is fennel spice. I'm gonna blank for a second. So later, thanks out. Thanks, Brian.